All right, so tonight, this wondrous beauty will be getting its blades changed. We have a set of high lift 42-inch cut blades. Purchased these bad boys from Lowe's. Can't wait to start sucking and blowing, you know. Sucking and blowing, that's what they do. So for this job, you will need one set of any type of plier. Like, look, cheap, nothing nice. Doesn't have to be crazy. Just pulling cotter pins. Don't give me that look. Don't. These will do just fine. Okay, first things first. You want a nice drop light, eh? You know, lighten up the area. And then you're gonna wanna come over here to the right side of the lawnmower. And you're gonna wanna drop your deck all the way down. There we go. So you're gonna wanna take your drive belt off, or your deck belt off first and foremost. So that's how it should look when it's all done. Just drop her on down. That's all you gotta do. No biggie. So you're gonna wanna take that cotter pin out right there. Oh, come on now. There we go. So we'll just stick the pliers on here. They're doing what they're supposed to be doing. That's a good thing. Here we go. There it goes. That holds on your, that's your PTO wire right there. You want to take that out like this. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, now we'll move to the other side. So we'll do the same thing on this side. We'll pull this guy out. That one was a lot easier. Golly, hard knocks over here. And you can hardly see it, but I'll get a better picture of it. And then there's one right on top of that pulley, right off to the right there. And you see that little washer that's moving around? You wanna make sure you keep that, because that's important. You don't wanna lose that. That's a good one. That is a hoser if you lose it. And there it is. And there's where it's located at, right there. Oh, there she is. Got her. All right, you just push them out. So I lied about having just any set of pliers. These are my favorite. They're a Matco by Nipix. I believe they call these the German style or something like that. See, it doesn't let go. That is a nice set of pliers. Try to take that out of my hands. I won't let go. All right, so now I have my deck loose. We're gonna pull this baby out of here. Give her the old 1-2 punch, eh? Okay, she needs some cleaning a little bit, eh? There's your deck, right out and under it. Keep her simple, Jack. Okay, so there they are. I got a set of new mulching blades. No, they're the high flow ones. I don't want to do mulching. That just tends to create more issues. So we're gonna clean this up a little bit. So you'll just need a simple 9/16 socket. Nothing too special. Not this time. I just got this old rusty 9/16 6-point socket. And, oh, look at that. There we go. Let's see if the other, now let's see if the other side comes off that loose. That was a little alarming. All right. A little bit of an, so a nice 2-inch putty knife. Oh, I'm not made of putty. It's even been used. Look, I've been doing some drywall work with it. You can use that on this. You just go on scraping, get your life all back in order. you know, give her some love and get in there nice and deep and just get her in the spots she doesn't normally getting. Okay, we've gone a little too far. I'll get back to you after we're done cleaning this up. Regardless of what anybody says, they're like, oh, they're new blades. They don't need to be sharpened. Sharpen them before you put them on. So there is a side that will tell you grass side. That is the side that faces the grass. Okay, our new blades are installed. So before you slide your deck back up underneath there, you want to do a simple functions check. This is the pulley that I showed you where there's that little washer that goes around the top and there's a pin that goes over it. Anyways, you want to just kind of push. You see that? And see if it springs back. Just do it a couple times. These things tend to freeze up, and if that's the case, you gotta take this piece off and this piece off. You get down there in the linkage and take it all apart, anti-seize it, and you'll be back in business. Sometimes you need a new pulley every once in a while, but these things are starting to get a little bit on the rusty side, so they're making a little bit of noise, but we're gonna throw her back in there anyways. Okay, there's no science behind it. You just take everything that you took off and put it back on. Now, sometimes you gotta do a little bit of moving around. Stick your cotter pins back in. Make sure you have them, okay? You don't wanna go without having to put your cotter pins in, eh? It's just not a good taste for a bad day's work. So don't forget your washer. That is the trick. Washer, check. And when you're putting your spring back in, it does slide in that slot and it's really easy. So if you can see it from there, what you do is you turn her sideways and she just slides right in like that. Doop. So you'll see that this is one of those things that you see how it slides on in there, and now you're good. See how that works? It just slides right in over the top. Okay, after that's all done, you're gonna wanna grab your spring and just set her right up over the top like that. And then you're gonna wanna find your cotter hole. See, this is where it kinda gets an itsy bitsy tricky when you don't have two hands to hold up everything. And there we go. The cotter pin is in. You can do that for yourself. I know you can. There you go. So I got this tractor for free, and I had the intention of just fixing it up and reselling it. But right now, I just like it. It's a good tractor. So we're gonna keep it. It's minty, it's fresh. Keep it good. Don't be afraid of trashy things. Whoever lets their trash go, it's another man's treasure. This thing runs fantastic. Done a little bit of a tune-up to it, put some spark plugs, fresh air filter, you know, didn't blow it out at all, just let it go. But we're gonna do a electric lawnmower conversion on this. It's gonna be great. Not gonna wanna miss it. Oh yeah, and if you're interested in that, when that's happening, that's gonna be a video for this winter because I'm not doing it during lawn mowing season. You don't want no part of that. Get hosed. be the only house on the block where the county's calling you saying, hey, there's raccoons breeding in your backyard, eh? You got a chimpanzee in the back that's growing banana trees. I kill myself.